Hi ladies and gentlemen, so this short video is about how to clean all the other Kangen machines. So what would this apply to? This would apply to the Junior, the Level Up, the SD501 and the SD501 Platinum. Okay, so this process is a little bit different, but let's just take you through the process. Very straightforward too. So what are we actually cleaning? So what we're cleaning are these titanium plates that are inside your machine. Now remember, your machines are built using these medical grade titanium. They're dipped in platinum. So these are probably some of the most expensive parts in the machine. And what are we cleaning? Basically, you get minerals, you have minerals attached and cling on to these titanium plates. So whether you live in soft water area or hard water areas, this is what you want to remove. You want to remove those limescale, those calcification that you get inside your titanium plates. So by making sure you clean your machine on a regular basis, this will prolong the lifespan of your machines. Okay, so let's get straight into this. First thing you need to do is to turn off your power. So the model that we're using over here is called the SD501 Platinum. Right, so to do this, first remove your cover. Just toggle that slider to the left to remove your filter. Okay. Now again, just make sure both of these rubber rings also comes off, because sometimes they do get stuck on the machine, like so, and just place that aside. Now, every machine should come with a cleaning cartridge. So get yourself one of these cleaning cartridges that came in the box and just remove that top cover. Once you remove that top cover now, every machine should come with 6 packets of citric cleaning acid. So if you clean your machine every month, which Enagic recommends everybody cleans their machines on a regular basis, clean it at least once a month, and this will look after the machine. And all you need is just half a packet of citric acid. All right, just remove this, and imagine I'm pouring half a packet of citric acid inside your cleaning cartridge. Just put that cartridge back in. And lock the cartridge in place with your slider. So you should hear a little firm click once you've done so. And now I'm just going to leave that cover off to explain why very shortly. And the next thing you need to do is get yourself a glass or a cup, and then place the top hose into the cup like this, and then your bottom hose, where your beauty water or your strong acidic water comes out, again into the cup like so. Okay, so all you need to do now is make sure you have your machine diverter set on ionizer, the blue setting. Turn on the tap. Now, you can see here the reason why I've left that cover off. You can see I just want to make sure that that is not leaking. So if it's leaking, then it tells you then the cover or the slider has not been locked in place properly. So once you've made sure that's locked in place, just turn on your tap and just fill up that cup until it's about 3/4 of the way up. So once it's 3/4 of the way up, then what's happening inside is that the whole machine is immersed with citric acid. So your titanium plates inside is now soaked with citric acid. So what you want to do is you want to do this at night time before you go to bed, because this cleaning process should take around 6 to 7 hours. So if you do this at night time before you go to bed, so come morning, the cleaning process should be finished. Okay, so once that's finished, you simply just remove both the hoses and just pour the citric acid water away, or what some people do, they pour that citric acid into their kettle. Okay, so don't waste that water, they pour it into the kettle. Why? Because you might have some limescale, so that's great for removing limescales. Okay, they might just pour that into your kettle, and that will clean your kettle. All right, so once you've done that, you simply just remove your slider, just pop that cover open, place your filter back inside, pop in your slider at the top, lock it in place, hear a firm click, turn on the power, and then your machine is ready. It's finished. So that is simply the cleaning process. So I'm just going to plop that cover back in, and that's simply all it is. And also what we suggest people do on a regular basis, just coming back on this K8 over here, all right, so this would again apply to all your machines. So how do you make sure you maintain your machines at a tip-top level every single morning? So what we suggest people do is to run beauty water. Okay, you simply just press once your power is back on, just press beauty water and just run the water, turn on your tap, okay, turn on the Kangen water and just run beauty water out of the top and the bottom hose. All right, so let me just repeat that again. Turn on your power on all your machines and run Kangen water through there, run it through the tap, your hose, press beauty water and you should get beauty water come out, okay? So what that's doing essentially is now reversing the polarity of the machine. Where you normally get Kangen water out of the top hose, you're now going to get beauty water out of the top hose. Because now that's what it's doing, like I said, reversing the polarity and also making sure you remove any sediments or any minerals that's attached to the minerals overnight. So run that for at least 30 seconds to a minute every single morning. So then you'll make sure then you get great active hydrogen every single morning and the water is green, it's purple, it's alkaline, and you get plenty of active hydrogen inside your machine. Okay, so maintain your machines on a regular monthly basis there by doing the deep cleaning I've just shown you, and also pressing that beauty water button every single morning and run that water for around a minute. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the cleaning process for the SD501 and all the other Enagic machines. I hope that brought you value. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.